Hey everyone, and welcome back to our class. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Hey everyone, and today is class 3 of our Canva graphic design, and today we are going to be getting through everyone's logos and also going to make another design. So I saw a lot of logos that were sent to me on the WhatsApp, and they were pretty cool, awesome, and I also taught you how to do it in my last video. So if you don't know how to create a logo, you can just go and watch my last video and you will know how to do that. So today we're basically going to be making a drip effect. Now what is a drip effect? I think you guys have already seen these kind of trending dripping images before, right? You might see on Instagram or Facebook or maybe YouTube people making them. Like there's a picture and then you see there's a drip effect, which means it kind of looks like the picture is melting, just like how an ice cream looks like. So this is what the picture will kind of look like. So now I asked you guys to have a picture of you. Now you can do this drip effect with any kind of picture. Let's say we are going to do it with your own picture. If you have your picture with you, you can actually download it into your computer and then we can start. Now, if you don't have a picture right now, that's absolutely fine. You can do that later. First, learn how to do that. Okay? So we're going to go on Google and we're going to search for any image. Let's just say I want a boy image. You can get a girl's image as well. Boy, boy front image, or maybe boy portrait. So it could uh, give us different kinds of images of a boy, either a front posture or a front image, maybe a normal boy portrait. So let's just say I like this one would work. Let's just say this one. Okay. Now what we will do, we will right click. Okay, right click and we will go and save image as. Once we save image as, it's going to give us this option. We can just name it boy image. You can take any kind of, okay, and then we will press save. Now that the image is downloaded in our computer, if we let me show you an example of this drip effect. If we see right over here, you can see this is one of the images that I made of a drip effect. Now we have to create this kind of image in our computer, right? So what we will do, you can see that this image doesn't have a background over here. This image does not have a background, which means we have to remove the background of this boy. What we will do, we will go and open another tab and we will go on a website known as remove background. You'll just type this remove background. The very first website that will come is this remove.bg. We want this one. We will just click on this. Here it will ask you to upload the image. We will click on it and choose the boy image. We will open it. When we open that image, it's going to load for a bit and see it has removed the background of the boy now. Now we will just go ahead and click on this download option. Once we click on download, it's going to ask us this. We will just save it, and now we have removed the image's background. Now we will come back on Canva. Now we're going to choose any canvas. So in the home page, you see you might want to try. You can choose any canvas from here. Let's just say I'm going to choose this Facebook post. Facebook post landscape in the you might want to try. Just click on it. If you cannot find it, that's fine. Go into the search bar, type Facebook post, enter, and the very first one, this create a blank Facebook post, you just have to click on it. When you do that, you can see that it gives us this blank canvas, this white canvas, and now we can start working. Now what we will do, we have to get our image uploaded here. Okay, so we will go into this uploads option. When we click on uploads, we can now click on this purple button, upload files. You see this boy without the background image over here. We will click on it and we will click on open. Once we click on that, it's going to load for a bit and then it will be ready to be imported. Now see, the loading has finished. We can just click on it, keep clicking and drag it onto our canvas. Put it in the middle. We can increase a little size like this. I will put it over here. Now we have a boy image done. Now what we need to do is put the drip effect. So what will I do? I will go into this elements option, okay, over here, and in the search bar I will write drip, D-R-I-P, drip. I will enter. Now you can see I have plenty of drip images over here, but I only want in the graphics over here in the very first one. The very first image you will see this one. The very first, do not go for any other images because they don't work quite well. You can just go with the first one, it works better. Just the first one, drag it, okay, put it over here. We're going to increase the size a little bit. Now if you see, it doesn't really look kind of dripping, okay. So what we need to do, if you see when you click on this drip, like when I click on it, you see this rotate option over here, okay. We will just rotate it by keep clicking on it and rotate. Now you can see it has been rotated now. Now I will just take this and we will put it right over here. You can also increase the size or decrease the size. And now we're done. Now I have to change the color of the strip. I will click on it. I will go in over here in the color, and I can, let's say I want any color from here, or if I don't like these colors I can also go over here and choose any color. I'll click here. It gives a lot of options to choose color. I'll just drag it and maybe let's say I like this color. Okay. Now one thing to be noted, we have to have this drip color and also the background color the same. It should be the same color. It shouldn't be a different color or else this drip effect won't work. Now we will click on the background. Okay. And we will click on this color option and we will take the exact same color which we can see over here. Now you see we have the background on this over here. We'll just put it a little down. If you want to increase the size, you can do that as well. See? And now we have our drip effect all ready. If you don't like it, you can just actually drag it and see which one suits the most, and then you will be done. Over here. See? Now we have the boy having a drip effect. We can maybe took it a little down. Now what we have to do, we have to write a little name on it. So you can either write your own name, either write drip effect, or either write cool, whatever you want to. So you will go into this text option. Let's just say I like this heading. I'll just drag it over here. I have it. Now I'm going to backspace and write drip effect. Now if we see, maybe going to write in capital drip effect. Now if we see, I don't really like the font, so I will select this and I will over here we can choose a font. So let's just say I like this one. Alright, now we have this already. I'll put it here. Now, what if, okay, so this is all completed basically for the drip effect. Now, what if I want a cool background? If you see over here, it has a splatter background. Looks like somebody splattered the paint on it. So, we can actually have this. We can go again in our, in this Canva, and we can go into this Elements tab. In the Elements, we can write splatter, S-P-L-A-T-T-E-R, splatter. Over here we can see different kinds of splatter. Now you can decorate your background however you want. I'm just going to take this splatter, drag it in the middle, going to increase the size of it, put it in the middle over here, a little more size. Now, but if we see it's coming onto the face of the boy, I do not want it to be over here. I want it to go back. So what can we do? We can actually right click on this splatter, and we can see send backwards, send to back, bring forward, bring to front option. Either we can take it from here, or we see this positions option. We will when we click over here, we see forward, backward, to back, to front. Let's just keep clicking on backward. See, now it is on the back. If you see this, now our background is over here. Everything is done. You want to change the color of the splatter, you can also do that. And that is it for this drip effect. So I hope you guys know how to do this. Your homework is to create something like this with your own picture, and then you can send it on the WhatsApp group. And yeah, if you have any question, you can ask me. All right, thank you, bye.